Hi folks and welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To reset the phone, we need to put it in recovery mode. The phone must be connected to a PC or laptop using a data cable. Then you need to turn off your phone, if you can't turn it off. You need to restart it by pressing the power and volume down buttons at the same time. And quickly press the power and volume up button. I was able to turn off the phone. I don't have to force restart it. I will press the power and volume up button and hold until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Press power button and volume up. When Samsung logo appear on the screen, you can let go power button. Now we are in the recovery menu. In recovery menu, press the volume keys to navigate and the power key to validate. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button. Select Factory Data Reset and press power button. Press power button to reboot the phone. All data is deleted, including code, passwords and pattern, but hard reset don't delete Google account. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.